Do you also struggle with cooking whilst bikepacking? Do you have troubles finding a good, nutritious meal that's easy to make and doesn't require the whole cookbook and all complicated recipes with all the thousands of ingredients in the world? Well, here in the outback of Australia, after 10 days of bikepacking, I might have found that solution. It is not a recipe, because recipes are too many and too complicated to remember, and you just need to find all the right things. It is a system. It is a system of cooking that will be reliable every single time, and you'll be able to make use of whatever ingredient you find along the way. This is a meal you cook in the morning and take with you on the bike. You will need one of these. You pack this in your stem bag or your other bags and you eat throughout the day. By eating throughout the day, you ensure a constant supply of energy, and then also you avert the dreaded big belly full of food that hurts when you get going. And we start with a base of carbohydrates, because carbohydrates are gonna give you that long-lasting energy throughout the day. The choice of carbs is whatever you find, whether it's pasta, mashed potatoes, rice, polenta, noodles, or couscous. Whatever is available, go grab some. My favorite would be couscous and mashed potatoes. The second most important ingredient to me is oil. In this case, olive oil. The number of calories per gram of olive oil can hardly be beaten. So what I do is I carry one of these go tubes and I fill it up wherever I go from place to place. This ensures that your food is packed of calories. And then protein, whether you like salami, cans of tuna, beans, which I really like. They're heavy though, but they pack protein. And then all other varieties of fish. I really like these packs, which come with beans or rice or any other things. Or if you want to keep it traditional, it's just simple tuna. And the last things to make it a meal. Again, whatever you find. My favorite, cheese. Then if you find some fresh veg, yes, go for it. Capsicums actually hold quite well, and carrots are pretty much indestructible. Garlic really gives a spice, I like it. I always bring some herbs and condiments with me. Chili sauce, a must-have, whether it's dried mushrooms, dried peas, whatever you find. These will just top it up nicely. And this is actually the kit I bring with me most of the times. A burner and a gas stove. This is my cooking pot, insulated, has a lid, a lighter, water bottle, a cup. That's great because you actually measure with it and it's collapsible. Knife, fork, the container we spoke about, olive oil, condiments. Alright, water is boiled, we measure 1 cup. Mix it up. Once that's done, olive oil. After that, our choice of protein, and on today's menu we have salami. Top it up with cheese, just for extra calories and taste. Some chili sauce. A bit of garlic. And some peas.
Very civilized.
Okay, you wanna come try?
Is the tape recording?
Mm-hmm.
No, no.
Ooh. So good.